Watoto wa bibi wanachapwa sana. Wanachapwa, unaona mama anaumia, bwana anawacha hapo badala hata apeleke hospitali, anaenda sake. Yeye anabaki hapo kuumia.
And the court, that is the judicial system, GBV reporting mechanism are not physically or procedurally accessible to persons with disabilities. One is the language barrier, especially for our members who are using the sign language. Even the Isiolo police station is an example. You don't get any officer who is be able to do the sign language, so communicate.
So that the cases of GBV, including femicide, can be reduced. From the discussion we have heard with the members of public here, one thing which has come out clearly is that retrogressive cultural practices is one of the major causes of GBV, including femicide in this county. Another thing which has come out clearly is the issues of insecurity and issues of conflict related to cattle rustling.
And from what also they have given as recommendations, we'll put it together and have it implemented or give the authority the right data for them to be able to take action.